Welcome my dear students. In this video we are going to work out a problem on second degree equation of time series, that is quadratic trend, which is also known as parabolic trend. So let's see the question given here. The following figures give the annual production of commodity. Estimate the output in 2011. Use y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. So ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು a plus bx plus cx square. And if you see the table given in the question, they have given years and production. Years are given from 2004 to 2010, and it's around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of data has been given, and the production figures for those respective years are given. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡನ್ನು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ us proceed with the solution part of this sum. The answer table will be looking like this. The first column of the table is year. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ years ಅನ್ನು as it is ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Then second column will be the production. Again it is given in the question only. Take the production figures. The production figures are represented as y because that is the variable data in this sum. After taking the first two columns into the answer, the next column we have to take is x. X is the assigned value by us. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೇಟಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮನ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 years. That means an odd number. When odd number of years data is given in the question, you have to go to the middlemost year, that is 2007 in this case. Middlemost year ge you allocate 0. Central point, midpoint, middlemost year ge 0 anta kodi. And above that you keep on giving negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And after 0 below you start giving positive numbers like +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and so on. So that's the simplest technique we use to assign numbers for x values when odd number of years are given. ಆ ಥರ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ -3 into -3, that will be +9. -2 into -2, that should be +4. -1 into -1, that should be 1. And 0 ge 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 3s are 9. Proceed to the next column, that is x cube or x to the power of 3. That means multiply the value of x 3 times. -3 into -3 into -3. That means minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus agatra. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, therefore -27. Then -2 cube should be -8. -1 cube should be -1. 0 ge 0. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. Proceed to the next column, that is x to the power of 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮನ್ನು 4 times ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, you should get 81. And minus 2, if you multiply 4 times, that should be 16. And minus 1, you will get plus 1, 0 is 0. And for 1 it is 1, for 2 it is 16. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Later on, next column is xy. That is multiplication between x and y columns. X and y columns. So that should be 12 into minus 3, that should be minus 36. 10 into minus 2 should be minus 20. 14 into minus 1 is 14. 11 into 0 is 11. 13 into 1 is 13. 15 into 2 should be 30. 16 into 3 should be 48. And the last column here is x square y. That is y multiplied with x square column. So that should be 12 into 9, 108. 10 into 4, 40. 14 into 1, 14. And 11 into 0 is 0. 13 into 1 is 13. 15 into 4, 60. 16 into 9, 144. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸಿನ ಟೋಟಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ n equals to, you have 7 years, therefore the value of n is 7. Number of years is 7. Then see the value of summation y, that should be 91 if you add. And summation x 0 ಬರೋ ಥರನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, therefore summation x if you add it should be 0. And sum of x square column is 28. Sum of x cube column is 0. Sum of x to the power of 4 column is 196. And sum of xy if you add you should get 21. And sum of x square y is 379. So once you get the totals of these columns, proceed further to the equation part. The quadratic equation is, write the quadratic equation as given in the question. That is, y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square. In this equation we have 3 constants, fixed values, that is a, b and c. To find out the values for this a, b and c, you should take the help of 3 normal equations. That is, summation y is equals to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. That's the first equation. The second equation is summation xy is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube. That's the second equation. And the last one is summation x square y is equals to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x to the power of 4. These 3 equations we use to solve the values of a, b and c. Once we get the values of a, b, c, the equation is set and you can estimate the values for any future year. Now, once you have written the normal equations, let us substitute the values from the table into these normal equations. Just now we have finished the table. From that table, you get the values for this normal equations and substitute in the equations. So let us bring the values one by one. In the first equation, it is summation y. Where is summation y? That is 91. So in the place of summation y, you write 91. Then NA. N is number of years. So we just counted, it is 7. A value is not known. So 7 into A, that should be 7A. Then B is summation X. Summation X in the table is 0. We assigned the numbers like that. Therefore it is 0. So B into 0, that should be 0. So B into 0 will be 0. Then C summation x square. Summation x square value if you see in the table, that is 28. Therefore 28C, 28 into C, 28C. Now, this equation can be written in the form of 91 is equals to 7A plus 28C. This is the first equation. The first equation, but we are putting the number as 4, but whatever it is, don't worry about the numbers. So the first equation we got 91 is equals to 7A plus 28C. Now substitute the values for the second equation, that is summation xy. What is the value of summation xy? That is 21. So put 21 here. Then A summation x. Summation x is 0. A into 0, that should be 0 only. Then B summation x square. X square value is 28 in the table, so 28 into B. Then C summation x cube. X cube value is also 0 in the table, therefore 0 into C. So this equation will look like 21 is equals to 28B. So it's a very simple equation. Let us solve this here itself. So if 21 is equals to 28B, that is 28B is equals to 21, therefore B equals to 21 by 28, that is 0.75. So you got the value of B here. Out of the three constants A, B and C, we got the value of B. So second equation is done and we got one value. Proceed to the substitution of third equation, that is summation x square y. Go to the table, it is 379 is equals to A summation x square, that is summation x square is 28. That should be A into 28. Then B summation x cube is 0, therefore B into 0. Then C summation x to the power of 4, that is 196 into C. So you will get the equation as 379 is equals to 28A plus 196C. So we have two equations with us. That is the first equation and the third equation. Second equation we have already solved. Second equation and already solved ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು B value ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Therefore second equation is gone. We have only first and third equations. So in these two equations, if you compare, one equation is having 7A, the other equation is having 28A. So that what we can do is to make this 7A as 28A, you should multiply this with 4. 7A into 4, 28A. Therefore, the first equation, that is this equation, is multiplied with 4. So if you multiply with 4, you should get 7A into 4, 28A. 28C into 4, that should be 196C. Then 91 into 4 equals to 379. So now we got, this is modified equation number 1 and you have third equation. ಈ ಎರಡು equations ಅನ್ನು let us subtract. So if you subtract, what happens? 28A plus 112C is equals to 364. 28A plus 196C is equals to 379. Here we are subtracting. We are subtracting so that ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So when you are subtracting, this will become minus. So 28A plus 28A minus 28A will get cancelled. Then 112C minus 196C, that should be minus 84C. 364 minus 379 should be minus 15. So you got minus 84C is equals to minus 15. So ಇದನ್ನು C is equals to minus 15 by minus 84. ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ C is equals to 15 by 84. You will get 0.178. So you got the value of C here. We got two values, B and C. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಾಕು, that is the value of A. So to get the value of A, let us substitute the C value in equation 4, that is equation 1. equation 4 ಅಂದರೆ equation 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸೊ 91 is equals to 7a plus 28c. 7a plus 28c is equals to 91. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7a plus 28c, 28cಗೆ 28 into c. So for c, put the value of c, that is 0.178 is equals to 91. So 7a, if you multiply 28 into 0.178, you should get 4.984 is equals to 91. So 7a, if you bring that, if you take this 4.984 to the other side, that will be minus 4.984. 7a is equals to 91 minus 4.984. So subtract this. 7a equals to 86.016. Then a equals to 86.016 by 7. So if you solve, you should get the value of a here. The value of a is 12.228. So now we got the values of a, b and c. B value is 0.75. C value is 0.178. A value is 12.228. Now let's write the equation. The quadratic trend equation is y is equals to a, that is 12.288, plus bx, that is 0.751x, plus cx square, that is 0.178x square. Now for the year 2011, we have to estimate the output. For the year 2011, where is 2011? The data is given up to 2010. For 2010, the x value is 3. For the year 2011, the x value will become 4. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ x valuesನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. Therefore, for the year 2011, x value should be 4. So by taking x value as 4, for the year 2011, x value is 4. The estimated output is, substitute the equation, y 2011 is equals to a value is 12.28 plus b value 0.75, bx 0.75 into 4 because x value is 4. So put the x value there. Then c value is 0.178 into x square. X square, when x value is 4, x square should be 4 into 4, that is 16. So if you solve this equation, the final answer should be 18.14. That should be the estimated value for 2011.